So now for the Makita buy one get one free tool deals here at Home Depot. So what I will do in most of these deals, if I can put it into this view products button that you see over here in the lower left of your screen. And all you do is you click on it and it expands out the different deals that you're going to see on the right. You get a two-piece kit right there, hammer drill and the impact driver and the battery and the charger. Or if you buy this other kit with just the two batteries in it, the 5 amp hour batteries with the charger, either one of these two will get you, this one will get you one free tool, but the bigger kit will get you 2 free tools. And then also, if you want to get some bigger capacity batteries, these are the two 6.0 amp hour batteries for $199. So here's that starter kit right here. If you buy this starter kit, you get to choose one free Makita tool. And then if you buy this other kit here for $399, this is your combo kit right there, then you get one free tool. Maximize by the cost of the tool. For example, I don't know why their jigsaw is $219, which is more than everybody else. You can also get their 3/8 inch drive ratchet. This is tool only, because it's $199. And your other free tool, you might also consider their grinder, the angle grinder, for $179. Now their little compact blower is not too bad. It's $169. The thing is, it's only 459 CFM, and that to me is like on the borderline of where you want a decent tool to be, and in terms of CFM strength and ability to blow the leaves and stuff like that. And you can also get the circular saw here for $159. Would be another good candidate for a free tool. This Makita deal here, we see it usually twice a year. We often see it in the early summer and then here at Black Friday, Christmas shopping season. But let me show you how it works, and it's such an incredible score. So you're getting here this rear handle. This is a brushless circular saw kit, and it's a full 7¼ inch. It's a full size, right? And the kit comes with 2 batteries and a charger to charge the 2 batteries. And so right off the bat, they always take $100 off. So it's down $100 to $299. But during this sale, if you buy this kit, they're giving you here for free an extra 2-pack of the batteries right here, the same batteries, these 5.0 amp hour batteries right here. So you're going to walk out of the store here today with a total of 4 batteries, and that's a deal you can't beat. This is a great time to acquire your extra batteries. And I always tell people, look, these BOGO deals of Black Friday and of Christmas shopping season are the best times to acquire all of your extra free tools and your extra free batteries like you see here. So let's start right off the bat with this 2-tool combo kit. It's a drill driver and an impact driver. So remember, that's not a hammer drill, but it's down from $239 to $169 for this entire kit, and it comes with 2 of the 1.5 amp hour batteries. Those are kind of small, so if you can score any other ones for free or get larger batteries as part of another deal here, I would definitely go for that. So here's that combo kit right here. You can also get this 6.5 inch circular saw. Now remember, it's smaller than the 7¼ They won't plunge as deep, but they're still pretty popular. A lot of people like these because they're cheaper. So look, you're down to $189 for this one. And also you can buy a 2 amp hour battery here for $99. But you know what? I like to always try to score my batteries as part of a buy one get one tool deal. I usually shun away from buying a single battery like that unless it's a really good price, and I don't really think $99 is a really good price. Something like that, they should have 2 batteries in a pack for you, like they did here with the Rigid. Look, Rigid's giving you 2 4 amp hour batteries here for $99. So here's more of what I'm talking about here. If you wanted to buy one of these 2 angle grinders here, they will give you a battery and a charger. And look at the size of this battery. It's 4 amp hours and another charger to have. So, you know, if you were in the market for it and you needed another tool, this would be the way to go. Something like this, buy one, get one. And here we can see that Makita actually has a couple of OPE deals going on right now. So this is buy one, get one, actually. And you have your choice that if you buy any one of these 3 right here, they'll give you the free battery pack. And this is a 4 amp hour battery. So the 3 toolkits that you can buy are this one here. So this is the 18-inch chainsaw kit with a 5 amp hour battery. So it already comes with a battery and a charger in that kit. And then you would be getting the other battery over here for free. So you'll walk out of here with 2 batteries total. The other one here is their $400 brushless blower motor kit, which also has a battery and a charger. And the third kit that you could buy here is the 2-tool combo kit. So this has the hammer drill, not just a drill driver, but you have a full hammer drill with the handle on it, and an impact driver. They are showing 2 of the 2.5 amp hour batteries that are already in this kit. So if you buy this kit, you'll automatically get another battery. You'll walk out of here with 3 batteries today. So here is the chainsaw kit right here, and then here is the blower kit. Now this blower kit, it seems kind of pricey, I think, for a blower. I mean, yeah, you're getting a battery and a charger still, but man, that is pretty up there. Even though it's, as it is, this is already a savings off of the $439 price. And then already the chainsaw, as you can see, is about $30 off of the original price of $629. And so there really isn't much more than these buy one get ones here and this deal right here.